How can I identify inactive lists so that they can be deleted? Administrators of LISTSERV sites with a large number of lists often ask about ways to identify inactive or unused lists so that they can be deleted. To do this, go to the list dashboard under the list management section. As an administrator, you will see all the lists on the LISTSERV site, including a selection of the most common list configuration options. The key feature that makes it possible to obtain list activity data is the changelog. Click on Customize Report and locate this keyword. Then drag it over to the Report Columns box and click Save. You will now see all the lists that have changelogs enabled. Changelogs record all list activity events, including subscribes, unsubscribes, and posted messages. Without changelogs, this information would not be available. If you have lists that don't have this feature enabled, you can do that here. Note, however, that you will not get data retroactively, so you'll have to wait for some time to pass to assess the list activity. That's why it's always a good idea to enable changelogs from the beginning whenever you create a new list. Now, click on Customize Report again and locate a data column named Post. Drag this over to the Report Columns box and click Save. Then go to the bottom of the screen and select your desired report period, for example 365 days, followed by Save. Now you will see how many messages were posted to each list in the past year. Lists with no activity in the past year are likely to be unused. After you have identified them, you can delete them on the main list deletion screen. Thank you for watching.